Watermarks are a great way to identify something specific about a document. Here's how to create your own personalized watermark and save it for later use. To start, begin with a document that requires a watermark and head to the Design tab, where you can find some pre-configured watermarks in the page background group. To make a customized watermark, first, click on the watermark and then scroll down to Custom Watermark. Within the dialog box, you may select whether you want to add a picture to your watermark, upload your own image, or search Bing Photos. Choose the picture you wish to insert and click the Insert button. In this case, I would apply a text watermark. You are free to type whatever you want, modify the font size, and even the color. However, you do not have to do this every time you want a customized watermark. You can save it by double-clicking the header, selecting all with the Control key held down, and pressing the A key in your keyboard. Then click the Insert tab, go to the Quick Parts, and save the selection to Quick Part Gallery. Save it to the Watermarks Gallery, and then select a category or create your own. And that's how you insert a watermark or customized watermark into a Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.